If you've ever opened up Photoshop only to find a tool missing, or maybe your entire toolbar just vanished, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to find those missing tools in Photoshop, step by step, and how to restore your workspace so you can get back to editing with confidence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to quickly recover any tool you need, and a few handy tricks to keep your Photoshop workspace tidy and ready for any creative project. Alright, let's jump right into it. First off, if you notice that the whole toolbar is missing, not just one tool but everything, that can look a bit alarming, but it's actually easy to fix. At the top of your Photoshop window, you'll see a menu called Window. Go ahead and click on that, then look for the option labeled Tools. Make sure there's a check mark next to it. If there isn't, simply click it once and your entire toolbar should pop back onto your screen. It's kind of like flipping a light switch in a dark room. Sometimes the toolbar just gets turned off by accident, but a quick visit to the menu can bring it right back. Now, what if it's just one particular tool that's playing hide and seek with you? Photoshop loves to keep things organized, but sometimes that means certain tools are tucked under others, and they're easy to overlook. For example, if you're looking for the magic wand and only see the quick selection tool, try clicking and holding down on that visible tool icon. After a moment, a flyout menu will appear, showing all the tools nested underneath, including the one you might be missing. It's a bit like opening a drawer and discovering there's a whole layer of utensils hiding beneath the top row, but sometimes tools get even sneakier. At the very bottom of your toolbar, you might see an icon with 3 small dots. Click on those dots and you'll see a more comprehensive list of all available tools. Some might even surprise you. This is Photoshop's way of helping you access lesser-used tools without crowding your main toolbar, so it pays to peek in there if you can't find what you're looking for. If your tool still hasn't showed up, let's dig a little deeper by customizing your toolbar. Head to Edit in the top menu, then choose Toolbar. This opens a window where you have full control. You can drag tools from the Extra Tools panel into your main toolbar, or take out tools you rarely use to keep things tidy. Think of it as rearranging your workspace to suit your personal workflow, kind of like a chef organizing their kitchen for maximum efficiency. If it all feels a bit overwhelming, don't worry, you can always click Restore Defaults within this window. That will put everything right back to the way Photoshop sets it up fresh, which is a quick fix if things start to feel out of place. For more widespread issues, maybe panels or other workspaces have gone missing too, you can reset your entire workspace. Go up to the Window menu again, find Workspace, and then choose Essentials Default or Reset Essentials. This restores the layout of your panels and toolbars, just like hitting the reset button on a messy desk. Finally, here's a pro tip. If you're in a rush or you just can't track down that one elusive tool, use Photoshop's search feature. Just press Ctrl+F on Windows or CMD+F on a Mac, then type the name of the tool you need. Photoshop will instantly locate it and give you a direct link to open it. Pretty handy for those moments when you need a tool fast and don't want to dig for it. So there you have it, a thorough toolkit to help you find any missing tool in Photoshop. If this video helped get your workspace back on track, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any tricky Photoshop questions or requests for future tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.